Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Aliexpress haul. So I ordered some red and green sequins. These ones kind of look, I mean, they look red now that I'm looking at it, but without these bright lights, I felt like it looked kind of orange. But when I was making my sequin mixes, just fun reds and greens in different sizes. I think these are 3mm. See, that looks orange now that it's looking next to that. So definitely a rust color. Glitter ones, cupped ones, flat ones. Here's a flat, like pinkish red. This is a metallic red. This is a bright red. This one's like a iridescent, almost like a burgundy red Christmas. I had to order some pink ones. They're like such a pretty glitter. And then a white one. And then look at that star just standing out. Okay, so I got all of those for Christmas mixes, and I got some more of these. So this is what I use to, sometimes I'll use hot glue, but I'll use these to stick my project, like my embellishments on. They're the little dewdrops, but I like the strength of these, I guess you could say. It's right here. Ooh, he's on there, good. Uh-oh. And I was running low. Next are these guys. These are so cute. I saw all these after my Christmas crafting, so I knew it wasn't gonna get here in time. But look how cute these little mittens are. The pink little scallop and the little Christmas tree detail on like a gold plated. And these ones, cute. Tons of girls sent little pinecone charms. So I ordered some. These are kind of like a rose goldish gold pinecones. Still super, super cute. These guys, how adorable. Look at these little reindeers. They're like a plasticky, but that like soft velvety feel. So it's a little Rudolph with the nose, the bow, the little antlers. So cute. Then these guys, they have a little gold detail looping. These are not iridescent or see-through or anything. They're kind of like a pearl pink, which I liked. I think these are perfect for Valentine's Day and Christmas, but definitely Valentine's Day. And then these guys, these are a gold plated with kind of like a clear greenish epoxy or something on it with a little star detail and red in the middle of the star. So these guys, super adorable. These are little red ornament. Look at that, how cute. It's got the little gold part as like the ornament clip, and then the ornament has a snowflake detail on it. These guys, so fun. These are cute for any like birthday collection or summer collection, just summer fun. Look how cute. It's a little balloon dog in gold. It's got the loop on it. I got these guys for Christmas next year. They are just a little like Santa mustache with his little, you know, red nose. Not that Santa has a red nose, but when he's cold and sick, he does. And then these guys, gorgeous. Look at the snowflake, the detail. It is gold. It's got like little clear diamonds on all of the pinpoints. Very, very pretty. And then how adorable are these little snowmen? Again, that same material. It's plastic, but it's got that soft velvety feel. The little nose, the hat, the scarf. Oh my gosh, so cute. And the little eye pin is actually silver. And I ordered some of this. I probably wouldn't recommend ordering. Oh, I do like that it's like thick. It's kind of like a poster board. A matted gold, but as you can see, it wasn't shipped with any cardboard or chipboard, so I have nothing but dings and dents. So I do not suggest ordering cardstock that's just like single, because it was just shipped in a bubble mailer, and you know, shipping is not nice. All right, that is everything from Ali today, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.